Do we speak English where I live? The short answer is no. I come from a really, really small town, and most of you must be aware that I live in India. So, a very small town in India, we don't speak English here. So, how do I speak English? That's a really long story. But before we get into that, let me tell you that this video is sponsored by Amazon Music. Have you heard of Amazon Music? You haven't? Amazon Music is the newest music and podcast streaming service. They offer over 70 million songs and podcasts, which is growing daily. Amazon Music gives you access to listen to any song at any time on all your devices like smartphone, computer, tablet, Fire TV, Alexa enabled devices like Amazon Echo. So what are you waiting for? Visit getamazonmusic.com/Sonia's Way and get 3 months free today. You can download any song and there are no ads. So try it out for free for 3 months and you can cancel your subscription anytime. The link is also in the description, so go check it out. Now coming back to my story. Now in India, it's not like people don't speak English. In fact, a lot of people speak English because English is like one of the basic mandatory subjects that are taught in schools since the kindergarten. So a lot of people know English. But when it comes to talking in English in your day-to-day life, a lot of us don't do that here, especially in small towns. Like when you go to the big cities, people use English in their daily conversations, but in small towns, that's quite rare. Small town people also know English because it's taught in school. But there's a huge difference between knowing English and speaking English. So how did I learn to speak in English? The credit goes to English movies and English TV series, and especially with subs. You know, subtitles are important because like initially when I started watching Hollywood movies, I couldn't understand a lot of stuff because of the accent. So subtitles really help. Now you must be wondering, how did a girl from small town got into watching all that Hollywood stuff? The credit goes to my dad. You see, before my dad married my mom, he visited America and he stayed there for like 2 years and he fell in love with the USA. You know, when we were kids, me and my siblings, my dad used to tell us so many stories about the things he used to do in the US. He used to show us thousands of pictures he took there, and as kids we were fascinated. He loved it there so much that he could have stayed there forever and I would have never been born. But he came back because he didn't want to stay so far away from his family and friends. So he came back and I was born as his first child. And with him, he also brought back his love for Hollywood action movies, and he used to play them a lot and we used to watch them with him, and that's how we got our exposure to Hollywood. If you'll see where I live, people don't care about Hollywood here. We just love the Bollywood. Coming back to me speaking in English, one thing that helped is watching English movies, and the second thing that helped is reading a lot of novels. I used to read a lot, but not anymore. I don't know what happened. I think I just realized that I'm more of a movie buff because I love art and creativity. Like, trust me, I have seen so many movies that I can't even remember some of the movies that I've seen. And it doesn't matter what language the movie is in. I've seen movies from all around the globe in all kinds of languages and I'm still exploring. Now, some people say that my accent is weird. Even the people from India, they say that your accent is weird. Because my accent is like a combination of Indian accent and the accent I have acquired from watching all that stuff. Because you know, you acquire an accent when you hear other people talking in that accent. So it depends a lot on your surroundings and how often you use that accent on a daily basis. And where I live, we don't speak in English on a daily basis unless you have to give an interview or attend a formal meeting. And it took me a long time to learn to speak in English. Like, there was time when I was in school, I couldn't speak in English for the life of me. It's only after school when I bombarded myself with hundreds of English movies that I began to speak in English. And even right now, my English is good, but it's not great. I still have a lot to learn. And you know, my creative process happens only in English. Like if I have to write something like a poem or anything, maybe because of all the stuff I've seen, and I still see a lot of stuff. I think that's about it, my story of how I learned to speak in English. I'll see you next time, maybe with another story of my life. Do you wanna hear my stories or I'm just blabbering? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.